Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the Orange Couch. It is Wednesday and it's February 17th. Okay. Today, you're going to see two clips, two videos. One I made last night at sunset, and then it continued with the morning. And then I made a special video for one of my girlfriends to send to Europe. So this is my videos. Project of the day, back to flowers. I don't know. I felt a little bit like flowers. We'll see where this takes us. So that's project of the day. I also put the glasses to this lady. Okay, haven't found yet. Self-portrait with glasses. And as for recommendation for a movie, I'm not sure if you have seen the movie Beauty. Beauty is from 2000. It's made in 2009, and it's about an artist. Check it out. Beautiful movie about beauty. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, and enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Make a beautiful day out of the pandemic lockdown.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
Down.
right, boy.